We're here at Fright Farm in Smithfield, Pennsylvania. This attraction features a large midway filled with games and live music. Inside the haunted attraction, you can experience the Hayride of No Return, Hollow Grounds, Curse, Shallow Wharf, the Farmhouse, Hotel Hawthorne, their newest theme, Entombed, and their most intense attraction, Slaughter Hollow. The big question is, can we survive the chainsaws here? Let's get some scares.
Somebody's birthday!
I love birthday parties!
Birthdays! Rah, 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 rah! What about you, Princess Mozzarella? How do you feel about birthdays?
Finally made your way down here, huh? To have my pal here show you around, but he's a little tied up right now. That's enough out of you, Slim. You wanted the real thing, here it is. Don't ask how many rules I had to bend to get it. Come on, get up, I don't have all night. I'll give you the sword. But one wrong move and you'll be buried under 3,000 years of sand like this mug. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Me and my old man, we were supposed to go on vacation.
I'm sorry.
We were supposed to go to Hawaii. Where do we end up?
Here?
We end up in Egypt.
I'm sorry.
I wanted to see palm trees, not pyramids. This is Hawaii.
Oh man. Oh my god, this is so awesome. We're going in the tomb. I love it. This is so beautiful. Okay, okay. Okay, I don't like it. Look how big that foot is.
That's a big one.
Return the gem!
Okay, okay, okay.
Pharaoh's gem is not
I don't
yours.
have it. I don't have
Taking
anything.
him. We're gonna go find it. Where
I'm
is
sorry. This is so weird. Oh, it's a mummy. This is so weird. I feel like I'm walking drunk right now. Whee! I hate that noise so much. Oh. Okay, okay, I'm out. I'm out. I'm not playing this game. Oh god, there's a big rat. There's a big rat. Okay.
He's gonna get ya.
Oh my god, that was loud. I love the sound effects. Look at all the little rat. I think he's gonna dig me up. Are you gonna dig me up with that?
Oh, I got a casket gesture.
Oh, oh no, oh no. Oh boy.
And you will not know. Shalom on the way to Salem.
I absolutely love the sound effects here. Oh, okay.
The outside is definitely nice. I am a big fan of these set pieces. I absolutely love them.
All right. Help you with what?
I can't find my sisters. Please help me.
Where do you think she went?
I don't know. Please.
I'm sorry, I can't help. I can't.
Help me, please.
I can't help. I'm sorry. Oh man. Rest in peace, Ozzy. Rest in peace, Ozzy. I love it. Okay, okay, okay. Welcome to Richfield Estate. Or no, established.
Did you hear about the witch who was cursing Diagonal Alley?
No.
Oh.
Okay.
I know my brother's crossed black, turning straight to ash.
Okay.
He even turned my father into a rat.
Okay. Please don't curse me. Please don't curse me. I don't want to be cursed. I do not want to be cursed. I do not want to be cursed. I ain't about a witch cursing me. Oh God, she's doing a ritual. I do not want to be in this.
This looks like a good Friday night over here.
I don't want to be in this. Oh, we're going back into a truck. Blech. Smells.
Oh boy.
Smells real bad. I'm gagging.
Something tells me that pepperoni roll's coming up.
Oh man. Okay. Look at the pumpkin monster. That is so nice. Yep, I think there's a shipwreck somewhere. Okay. Okay. I thought you were going to say something, but okay.
Well, you must expect the unexpected here.
Look, it's a shipwreck. Ding. Dong. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I don't know what to do. This dude has an axe of some sort. Okay. Look how beautiful the statue is.
That is pretty gorgeous.
It is absolutely gorgeous.
Hello there.
Hello.
How are we tonight?
I'm doing fantastic. And
No,
you?
no one's touched you, right? Scratched you, bit you.
I don't think so. Not yet.
How about you? You? Well, while we wait a moment, be wary of bleed from the eyes, the nose, the ears, or the mouth.
Okay.
Don't let them get to you. The warnings are all over. They are infected, highly infectious.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I think so.
Good luck now.
Thank you. Okay. Holy crap. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. All right. I absolutely love that. All right, that's creepy. Holy crap. Whew. It's okay. It's okay. They're not screaming.
They're alive!
Okay, I see them.
The
I see them.
zombies are alive!
They are alive. Okay, okay, okay. Oh my God, this dude's done. This dude's done for. We're in a wine cellar. I love it. Okay. I don't like that. I do not like that at all. I don't want a hug. Oh man, we got a crawler. We got a crawler. We got a crawler. I don't like it. We got a crawler. Okay. I love how that looked. Oh, we're going to the hotel now. I guess we're not going up or down. Does it smell like it's an old folks home in here?
A what?
Does it smell like it's an old folks home in here?
Smells like old lady perfume.
That's what it smells like to me. Okay. Holy.
I don't want your laundry.
Alright, I do not like long hallways like this. Nothing good happens out of hallways like this. I love the lighting effect with the thunder and the lightning. Ooh, the dessert table. Okay, okay. I'm not stealing anything. Hello.
Would you like me to sing hi?
Okay. I can't drink. Man, it looks like nobody did the dishes here.
up this
No,
mess!
I am not cleaning it up.
Please?
All right, that looks like poop.
Get away from my food!
I'm
I
sorry.
told you, you don't need any more.
I do not
Stop
want your
touching
food.
it.
I don't want it.
It's gonna bore you.
It's not yours. Stop touching it.
Oh, we're in the freezer. It's pretty cold in here.
I hate this place.
Okay, okay, I'm sorry that you hate the place. Then you should quit your job at the hotel.
You guys should wear coats for eternity. I can't take it anymore.
Holy crap. It's a big bear. Oh, it is a chicken. Holy sh. Okay, I'm coming.
Hi!
Hi.
How are you?
I'm all right, and you?
Ready?
No?
Oh, you're gonna be ready here soon.
Wait, are we killing a pregnant chick?
Mother, what's wrong?
Something wrong. What's wrong? I need to go to the hospital.
Okay.
I'm taking the baby!
Nothing.
Hello. This is true. Okay, I'm sorry. All right. Okay, I'm done. Okay, baby. Okay. It smells so bad in here. Holy shit. All right.
Let's go!
I'm coming.
Come on!
Okay. Hold on. Man, this attraction was very intense. If you want to visit another haunted attraction this intense, please click the link over here. Until next time, stay spooky.